back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. I make lifestyle and beauty videos. If you're returning, welcome as well. Thank you so much for your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. So for today's video, it is going to be another makeup video. So I'm going to be creating this look right here with no eyeshadow. It's something very simple, super cute, and it's all going to be drugstore products, which is probably the best part of it all. So I hope you guys really do enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and just get started. So it is currently 8 a.m. so it's pretty early and I just got out of the shower. That's why my hair is a little bit frizzy and still like pretty damped, but we're gonna be doing our hair at the end. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera and I did use the e.l.f. Ultra Precise brow pencil, which looks like this. This is a really good pencil. You guys know that I love my NYX professional eyebrow pencil, but I wanted to go ahead and change it up and give you guys more options than just using like the same ones over and over again. So I did use the e.l.f. It is super good. It comes with a spoolie, which is awesome, and also the tip of this is really small, so it's really good. I really like it just because I'm easy to actually like really define my eyebrows. Since we're not going to be doing eyeshadow, we're not going to start off with the eyes. We're actually going to go straight into the face. So I'm going to go in with a primer spray just because I feel like it helps to really keep my makeup in place. And I'm going to be using the NYX First Base primer spray, which looks like this. This is a really good primer. I really like how it feels on the face, and it definitely does leave my makeup like prolonging throughout the day, and it's super lightweight and it just leaves your skin looking like very smooth. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply this all over, and the spritzer is like super nice on this one. It's not like too overpowering where you feel like you're just spraying it straight into your face. Like it kind of just goes all over and it feels super nice. Now for primer, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I honestly have used this so many times, like you guys can tell I've used it, and I just really like how it feels on the skin. It leaves your skin feeling very smooth. It definitely does cover up any like pores that you might have, so I like to put it definitely on my nose because that's where I get like the most pores, and then I like to kind of like press it into my skin before I go ahead and start rubbing. So I'll go ahead and just really press it in, and then I'll go ahead and like rub it into my skin. This is honestly one of like my favorite primers, just because I feel like it leaves my skin looking so nice and like smooth, and I feel like it does like kind of like grip into the foundation, which makes it just prolong so much more. I like to go in with another primer, and this one is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. I love using this just because it's very lightweight, and it also does help with any pores that you may have, and it just leaves the skin obviously looking super smooth, just like the e.l.f. But I like using it especially right now in summer when it's really hot, just because I don't want my makeup to be melting. So we're gonna go ahead and use this, and I'm gonna put it on my forehead because that's the one place that I get the most oily. So put it there, and then I'm also gonna put it on my nose. And then down in my chin area. So basically just like the places that you get the most oily, go ahead and apply that, and this is literally gonna help with that. Like when I use this primer, and I have been using this for like years, like so long, and it still works, and it's something that I just like know it's gonna work, so I'm always using it, especially during summer. So now that our skin is prep and looking super smooth, we're gonna go in with foundation. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and I am in the shade 220. So literally this is one of my favorite drugstore foundations for like a more like natural look. It gives you like this matte finish at the end, and it really does help with like refining the pores. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a sponge and just distribute this foundation all over. Do you guys hear my dog? So just keep bouncing your sponge, just making sure that all the product is distributed. I literally love how my skin looks after applying this foundation. I just feel like it looks so natural and it just looks so like smooth. You can definitely build it up if you want like a more full coverage, but I think I want to just do kind of like a natural skin-like look. So we are done with foundation and this is how our skin is looking. So it definitely looks very smooth. There's coverage. I really like this foundation. You guys should definitely go ahead and check it out. It's like my go-to when it comes to a more natural and very inexpensive foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer, which looks like this, and then I am in the shade Light Peach. But I think I'm also going to go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. And then this one is in the shade Light 50W. Now with another sponge, I'm going to go ahead and just distribute this product and just blend everything. Both of these concealers are super good. I really like the e.l.f. one. I just need to get like a better shade, I think, but this one's really good. It gives you like really good coverage and it blends out super nice. And then the ColourPop is just creamy, so it's easy to blend with as well, and it just have good coverage as well. My hair is so frizzy. Okay, now we're gonna move on to setting powder. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder. This is a really good setting powder. It gives you like a smooth, like mattifying like finish, so it works really good with my skin, and I really enjoy using this. And it does say that it prolongs your makeup, which I definitely agree with it. I don't think it makes it last like for a really long time either, but I mean, it is a good setting powder overall. I hope you guys can see how smooth my skin looks, because it's literally looking so smooth. So I'm really hoping that the camera's able to catch that. Guys, if you guys are looking for a good setting powder, definitely the Maybelline is really good. I also really like the Hailey's Beauty setting powder. That one's super good. Which other one do I use? The Collab. I get that one from Sally's. That one's really good as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and just bring some color into our skin. So we're gonna be going in with the bronzer. I'm gonna be using the NYX Matte Bronzer. This one, I really love how it leaves my skin looking. It's super pretty on the skin. Now moving on to blush, I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie, which is the Milani in Luminoso. This one is like super good. I think everybody should have this in their collection because it's so pretty. I just think this is like such a cute like pink blush to have. Moving on, we're gonna go into highlighter. So I'll be using my Kokie Soft Glow highlighter in the shade Gleaming. I really like these Kokie highlighters because they are super smooth and they kind of give you like that wet like finish, if that makes sense. So we're basically done with the face. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes, which is probably the one thing that really makes this look come together. I'm gonna be using the Kiss lashes in Royal Silk. These lashes are so pretty for a natural look. You can definitely use it obviously if you're using eyeshadow, but I feel like for a natural look, like no eyeshadow, it just looks so beautiful and it makes your eyes really like open up. So this is really good if you guys are feeling tired. Definitely pop in some eyelashes. Super pretty, super long and natural. Then I'm gonna go in with just a tweezer and then also my favorite glue, which is a Kiss adhesive. You guys already know that. Now we're gonna go in with mascara, and I'm gonna use my Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is a super nice mascara. Definitely makes your eyelashes like a lot more longer. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on these lashes, so I will be right back. Okay, and now the eyelashes are on. So you guys see like exactly what I mean. Like they just make your eyes pop out so much more. You can definitely put on some eyeshadow if you want, like maybe like in the crease area put some brown if you want. I just really like how it looks without the eyeshadow. I feel like it just makes my eyes stand out 10 times more. I just really love these eyelashes, and I think they are only like $5-6, so it's super inexpensive. So now we're gonna go on to lips because I need to add some color there. So So I am gonna be going in with my NYX matte lip liner in Sam's. Actually, no. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Understatement lip liner. This one's in the shade 160. It's like this really pretty brown color. And I like to add some more on the middle center like of my lip, just so that if my lipstick does fade, like at least I have like that lip liner color. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline. This one is the cream lipstick in the shade 930. Perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and set our makeup, and I am gonna be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray, which is like this. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. It works really nicely. And while that's kind of like setting into place, I'll go in with my e.l.f. Wow Brow and just set my brows. Then I'm going to go in back with my mascara and do my lower lashes. I like to do it after I already set my makeup, just because when I do that, I always get like the mascara under my eyes. And I'm just trying to avoid that. Sometimes I would add some eyeliner on my waterline, but I literally cannot find mine and I have no idea where it is. But that's usually what I would do. But I still definitely love this makeup. I think it looks really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. So all I did was just put like a half up, half down hairstyle. So I just put a little scrunchie up on top. I was going to curl like these front ones, but I'm kind of liking like how it looks right now. So I just kind of left it how it is. But this is pretty much it. I think this is such a cute and very pretty makeup look. Very simple, easy to do. But yeah guys, I hope you guys really did enjoy today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below to be part of my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that post notification button to be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Bye guys!